Hey guys, Mint Stake Share MSS. They are doing something new. So be wise in your investments and let me break down what other YouTube influencers are saying about this project because what I have to say about it, you're not going to hear anywhere else. But let's see what they're saying. Let's get into it. What up, peeps? Every now and then, I am updated on situations and circumstances that are going on in the crypto space. So I thought I'd open this video up with a stark warning to you guys about MSS, Mint Stake Share, whatever you want to call it, because it is a Ponzi. And I'm opening this up to show you my positions when it started and my current positions, which is straight zero. The best investment strategy you can use for MSS is just not to use it, guys. I'm telling you, I warned you in a previous video, and I've gotten a little bit of information from some of you guys on the background, and let's talk about a couple things because there are some new events going on with MSS, and I want you guys to be aware. And instead of speaking on it myself, I'm going to let another YouTuber speak on what's happening in MSS. And let's go to what he has to say right here. Not my words, somebody else's that is active in MSS. Let's see what he has to say. And this was from a month ago.
No, 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 no. The beautiful thing about sharing your link is that at the end of the day, once you share it, people are going to use your link and you're going to get rewards. And as you can see, because of my rewards that I'm getting right over here, guys, I was able to reach the 1 million milestone a lot earlier. So that's what we're talking about, guys. Sharing that link, making sure that you've got content, a YouTube video, share it on Telegram, Discord, whatever, to let people know about this glorious opportunity that they have before them over here.
All right. So there we go. Sharing that link. This is the danger of investing in these ROI dApps, guys. If you share your link and you get a lot of people joining, you might be able to walk away with some money. If you join under somebody else's link, you are going to lose your money. You are essentially feeding them your money. Okay, I explained this in another one of my videos, the only other video I did on MSS, and some of you guys may have gotten it, some of you may not have, but I am dropping this video now because of a more recent video that's been posted. And let's see what he says here. This is from 2 days ago. And this is quite revealing, guys, especially for you new investors. If you guys have been in the space, you understand how it works, and you want to jump in this thing and risk your capital like that, by all means, go have a ball and lose your money. But this video is for new investors that are looking into this protocol. Check it. It's a Ponzi scheme. And if it's not, somebody please leave messages in the comment. Correct me. Hey, I'm open to correction, but you got to prove it to me. But let's see what he says in this video. This is revealing. Let's see.
Dates reflecting the new token LP. Yo, that right there, guys, is bullish, man. That means we are going to get a brand new chart. Yo, imagine all the brand new people that's coming into cryptocurrency that don't know nothing about MSS, and now we're shilling out links. We're getting the word out there, and they're taking a look at the chart, and they're not going to see that nasty couple of exploits that take the price with all red. It's going to be a fresh, new, brand new chart, a brand new beginning. I think right there, that is going to be epic.
Okay, so you guys hear that. All right, so it's a new chart, and he's all about pushing links, pushing his referral link. And this is all that YouTubers do. They push their links in order to get you guys to sign up. Once you sign up and start putting your money out in there, you are serving as exit liquidity. And the whole thought and concept of this wiping out the previous charts so that they don't see these nasty exploits. He's aware that there are these nasty exploits, but he's still willing to push this out to you so that he can get paid, but he's going to be getting paid off your back. Anytime you come out to MSS, Mint Stake Share, and see a video of all these YouTubers out here, all of them, probably except for me, is going to try to shill a link to you for you to sign up and give them your money. But let's check the charts and see what the charts are. Okay. So indeed, as he said, there is a new chart. Okay. But let's not forget the old chart, which is here. Okay. So when you guys, this is the same MSS, all they did was create a different token address for it. Okay. So do not neglect going back these nasty exploits. Now, this capital leaving here on October the 26th is the capital that's coming in here on the 26th. So that's the money being transferred over from one contract to the other. But nevertheless, you guys keep an eye on the very thing that they don't want you to see. What they want you to see is a referral link, and what they want you to see are empty promises that you're going to actually make money out of this system. And 9 times out of 10, guys, you're going to end up being exit liquidity. Again, I explained this in one of my previous videos, and I actually posted this video right before that last exploit. If you notice here, it was like right there at the top. And as soon as I posted that video, what happened? Somebody exploited. Okay. So watch this video. It makes sense. It breaks down their white paper and gives you information on what's going on in the system. And it's going to expose things that you might not think of. All right, guys, I ain't going to be too long-winded on this one. I just wanted to drop this out for you guys that are new investors, that you're out looking for new projects to jump in. If you want to jump in it, just understand it is a very high risk, and there are much better opportunities and less risky protocols that you can invest in. All right, guys, that's all I got for you, and we'll holler on the next one. Peace out.